Welcome to the new Gomocha FSP app. This tutorial will demonstrate how to successfully use and navigate the mobile app to begin a normal workday shift and complete a work order. Let's begin by opening the Gomocha FSP app on your device and logging in. Once logged in, you will find a menu button consisting of 3 horizontal lines on the top left corner of the screen. Click on it to open the menu. Select the Start Shift option located within the menu. Here, you will select the type of shift you will be starting. You can adjust the start time if necessary. Once selected, click the blue Start Shift button to begin your shift. You redirect to the agenda screen. In the top right corner, you will see an icon of a person with a gear next to the sync indication. This icon indicates that your shift has started successfully. Now that you have started your shift, you can see a list of all work orders assigned to you on the agenda screen. If you need to search for a specific work order, use the Search in Agenda bar at the top of the screen. To open a work order, click on the order. This will take you to the Order Information and Details screen, which provides all of the relevant details about the order, such as order details, asset details, materials to use, client details, and a historical overview. Once you review the order information and are ready to begin the work order, click the blue play button at the bottom right corner of the screen. You can also first accept the order by clicking on the green button or reject the order by clicking on the red button. Once you accept and begin the work order, you go to the work order navigation screen and immediately into the first step of the work order. This screen provides 4 navigation icons to guide the work order flow. You can click each icon or use the arrows on either side to navigate forward or backward. When beginning the work order, you will automatically start with the first icon. The icon will now be a light shade of blue, indicating that you are working on that work order step. This will be the same for all sections. Think of this as your progress bar. Click the blue play button in the bottom right-hand corner to begin entering information. This step repeats in each section. To fill in a line or item, click on it and enter the required information. Once completed, click the blue check mark in the bottom right corner. Remember, all steps require this. After clicking the check mark, you will notice 2 changes. 1, the indicator at the end of the line will turn into a white check in a blue circle indicating completion. 2, the icon will fill in with blue to indicate that the section is complete. Click on the arrow on the icon and progress bar to move to the next section. In each section, any required steps will have an indicator with a red check mark at the end of the line. You cannot complete the section until all red check marks turn into white check marks with a blue background. For example, the material registrations is required in our configuration and must be completed before proceeding. Again, to begin each section, click the blue play button. For registrations within a step, required fields will have a red mark in front of the line. These lines will remain red even with a filled field. If a required field is not filled while trying to mark the task as done, the entire line will highlight red and an error message will indicate which field is not filled. Correct the error message, click the blue check mark, and proceed. To complete the order, all required fields must have a white check with a blue background. The last step is the customer sign-off form. After completing the customer signature form in the third icon flow, click the blue check mark button in the bottom right-hand corner. All the icons in your progress bar turn white with a dark blue circle, indicating you have completed all the work order sections and steps. Finally, click the blue check mark again to mark the work order as complete. You will then redirect to the agenda screen for the next work order. To end your working day, stop your shift by accessing the menu just as you did to begin your shift. Click the Start End Shift button. A pop-up will appear showing the work hours registered during the shift. The End Shift option is available here, stopping the auto registration of your working hours. Or you can end the shift by simply choosing the Logout button from the menu. This concludes our tutorial on how to use the new Gomocha FSP app. If you have any questions or comments, please contact us at support@gomocha.com. Thank you for watching.